In this video, we're going to dive into the difference between usability and accessibility testing. Accessibility involves making your website or application friendly for people with disabilities. For example, audio support for blind users, color and contrast for the colorblind, font size for the visually impaired. The objective is to ensure the application is accessible by all. Nearly 20% of the population has a disability issue. A software product can cater to this big market if it's made disability friendly. Accessibility issues in software can be resolved if you perform accessibility testing regularly. On the other hand, usability testing is done to make sure your product is easy to use and intuitive. You can see examples of bad usability when you encounter a website that isn't user-friendly. Usability testing involves checking if a new user can understand, learn, and use your application easily. Does your website have an easy-to-use navigation? Does it have an attractive design? Here are some usability testing methods: unmoderated research, moderated research, card sorting, tree testing, and A/B testing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Playbook UX channel for weekly whiteboard videos.